Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most beloved desktop Linux distributions of all time, Linux Mint. Today we are talking about Linux Mint 22.3, Zena, a release that has continued to resonate with users years after its introduction and remains relevant in 2026. In this full review, we'll explore every important aspect of why Zena still matters today, from basic usability and new features at launch to performance in real-world scenarios, long-term stability, its ecosystem and community relevance, and why even now it has a place on desktops around the world. It's a comprehensive look that shows you what makes Mint 22.3 uniquely enduring in the fast-paced world of operating systems. Let's start by setting the stage and giving context for why Linux Mint, in general, continues to draw attention. Linux Mint, born out of the Ubuntu ecosystem, has always aimed to bring a more user-friendly, comfortable desktop experience to the Linux world. For years, its combination of intuitive design, thoughtful defaults, out-of-the-box functionality, and a familiar desktop paradigm has attracted everyone from Linux newcomers to seasoned users who simply want a reliable system that works. Linux Mint 22.3, Zena, released in early 2023, marked the third incremental update of the 22X series, itself based on Ubuntu 22.2.4 LTS. Many users expected it to be another step forward in refinement, but what we got was something that, in hindsight, has proven to be remarkably resilient and stable even in 2026. From the beginning, what stood out with 22.3 was its focus on polish rather than radical changes. At a time when many major operating systems were experimenting with bold UI shifts and controversial design decisions, it offered improvements that mattered in day-to-day use, tightening up the overall experience without disrupting workflow. Not just what they are, but how they impact the user experience, how they stack up against alternatives, and why Mint 22.3 still holds its own against newer distributions and even some commercial operating systems in 2026. One of the first things to talk about with any Mint release is the desktop environments. Linux Mint 22.3 was offered in 3 editions: Cinnamon, Mate, and Xfce, with Cinnamon being the flagship. Cinnamon has always been the most talked about edition, the one most people associate with Mint. It blends a modern experience with a more traditional layout, drawing inspiration from classic desktop metaphors that many users coming from Windows or older desktops find comfortable. In 22.3, the Cinnamon environment received improvements in responsiveness and consistency. Window animations were smoother, the panel behaved more predictably, and the system settings layout received subtle updates that improved workflow. These changes might seem incremental on paper, but in everyday use they make the experience feel significantly more cohesive. The Mate and Xfce editions cater to users who prefer lighter resource usage. Mate offered a classic stable experience with modest hardware demands. In 22.3, Xfce received updated artwork, modern icon themes. Meanwhile, Mate continued to be a reliable choice for users who want traditional layouts without fuss. Under the hood, Mint 22.3 inherited the rock-solid foundation of Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, still run on this release due to its reliability. In a technology landscape that sometimes prioritizes constant change, this conservative approach has paradoxically become one of Mint 22.3's greatest strengths. For hardware support and compatibility, Mint 22.3 was well-rounded from the start. Broad driver support and intuitive hardware detection made installation straightforward on a wide range of machines. Whether you were installing on newer laptops, older desktops, or virtual machines, the setup process was smooth and familiar for anyone who'd installed Linux in the last decade. In 2026, many users still run Mint 22.3 on older hardware that can't handle the demands of newer mainstream distributions, or in niche scenarios where cutting-edge hardware support isn't necessary. For many, Mint 22.3 simply just works, and that's a statement that never grows old. Once installed, the first impression for most people is the welcome screen, a feature Mint has honed over the years. This legendary welcome screen guides users through initial setup, updating the system, installing multimedia codecs, trying out the various apps pre-installed, and discovering configuration tools. Mint's welcome screen is friendly, informative, and useful. Speaking of pre-installed software, Mint 22.3 comes equipped with a carefully curated set of applications designed to cover everyday tasks. LibreOffice serves as the productivity suite, offering compatibility with a wide range of document formats. The included web browser handles modern web standards and extensions with ease. Multimedia players like VLC ensure that video and audio files play without headaches. Practical utilities like the Archive Manager, PDF Viewer, and Screenshot Tool round out the experience. But Mint also gives you choice without overwhelming you. The Software Manager in 22.3 was already strong at launch, providing a graphical application store with ratings, descriptions, screenshots, and smooth installation. Over time, this software manager has been maintained and improved, meaning even in 2026 it remains easy to discover and install applications without resorting to command line tools unless you prefer them. Another area where Mint 22.3 shines is in customization. From themes and applets to desklets and extensions, users have a range of ways to tailor the look and feel of their desktop. Cinnamon's settings system makes these customizations accessible without diving into arcane configuration files. For users who like to tweak and personalize their environment, Mint 22.3 provides both simplicity and depth. Whether adjusting panel behavior, choosing between light and dark themes, or adding widgets to the desktop, the process feels intuitive. This is one of those qualities that doesn't make headlines, but it contributes significantly to user satisfaction over time. In everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, media playback, and coding, Linux Mint 22.3 delivers dependable performance on a wide range of hardware. On modest machines, the lightweight editions still feel responsive. Even in 2026, where software demands have grown, Mint 22.3's efficiency has stood the test of time. Security and updates are another essential aspect. Because Linux Mint 22.3 is built on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, it benefits from a robust update infrastructure. Users receive security patches, driver improvements, and stability fixes without disruptive system upgrades. For organizations or home users who don't want to constantly reformat or upgrade to new major versions every year, this model is highly advantageous. In 2026, Mint 22.3 continues to receive necessary updates through its support window, giving users confidence that their systems are secure and stable. In terms of community and ecosystem, Linux Mint is supported by a passionate user base and active forums. Over the years, this community has grown into a substantial knowledge base where users share tips, troubleshoot problems, and celebrate customizations. A strong community means that if you encounter an issue or want to learn something new, you're almost certain to find resources and help. In 2026, this community remains active around 22.3 because many users still prefer it over newer releases or alternatives. This enduring engagement is not accidental. It's rooted in Mint's approachable philosophy and consistent experience. While discussing strengths, it's fair to acknowledge areas where Linux Mint 22.3 might not be perfect. Some might argue that its conservative nature means it lags behind bleeding-edge technologies. Or the latest desktop innovations may not be present in 22.3, in the way they are in rolling release distributions or cutting-edge releases. However, many users consider this a deliberate trade-off in favor of stability. Another consideration is support lifespan. While 22.3 has longer support than typical non-LTS releases, eventually it will reach end of life. For users in 2026 contemplating whether to upgrade, the decision often involves weighing stability and familiarity against newer software and features. For many, the answer is to stay on 22.3 until its support window ends, then plan an upgrade to an LTS or compatible version that preserves their workflow. Linux Mint's Update Manager and documentation provide guidance for such transitions when the time comes. In the broader landscape of desktop environments and operating systems in 2026, Linux Mint 22.3 occupies an interesting niche. It competes not just with other Linux distributions but also with Mac OS and Windows on usability, performance, and reliability metrics. While Apple and Microsoft push forward with heavily commercialized ecosystems and rapid release cycles, Linux Mint represents an alternative built by a community oriented toward openness, choice, and practicality. For users who prioritize privacy, control, and a desktop experience unburdened by vendor lock-in, Mint 22.3 remains compelling. In terms of real-world use cases, Linux Mint 22.3 has found homes in many scenarios. It's common in educational settings where budget constraints and diverse hardware exist. It's popular with developers who want a lightweight, dependable development environment. It's comfortable for writers, designers, and everyday users who want a system that just works. Even in 2026, you can find Mint 22.3 powering home offices, small business workstations, and personal labs because it delivers consistency without unnecessary complexity. Let's also talk about compatibility in 2026, interacting with modern cloud services. Virtualization platforms and cross-platform applications has improved greatly over the years. Linux Mint 22.3 can readily run containers, support remote desktop protocols, manage virtual machines, and access cloud storage protocols with ease. While these may not have been headline features at launch, they matter immensely in a world where hybrid work, distributed teams, and remote collaboration are normal. For users in 2026, Linux Mint 22.3 continues to integrate smoothly into modern workflows. As we reflect on the deeper significance of Linux Mint 22.3 in 2026, it's worth considering intangible qualities too: trust, familiarity, and longevity. Operating systems aren't just tools. They shape how we work, create, and interact with technology daily. An OS that feels comfortable, predictable, and adaptable becomes more than software. It becomes part of a user's digital identity. For many, Mint 22.3 has become that environment, a trusted partner through years of projects, learning, growth, and change. To wrap up this detailed review, let's distill why Linux Mint 22.3 Zena still matters in 2026. First, it delivers a desktop experience that blends simplicity with depth, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Second, its performance and resource efficiency allow it to run well on a wide range of hardware. Third, its stability and long-term support make it a reliable choice for users and organizations who value continuity over frequent disruptive updates. Fourth, its community and ecosystem provide a supportive environment where users can learn, troubleshoot, and customize with confidence. And finally, its philosophy of user-centric design and practical utility keeps it relevant even as the broader operating system landscape evolves. If you are watching this in 2026 and haven't tried Linux Mint 22.3 yet, this review should give you an honest picture of what to expect and why it remains a noteworthy choice today. Whether you're switching from another OS, refreshing an old machine, or simply exploring alternatives, Mint 22.3 deserves consideration not just as a relic of the past, but as a practical and capable system in the present. Thank you for watching this full review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into operating systems, open source software, and the technology that powers our digital lives. For now, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.